are about to spend 24 hours living with the two strongest men in the world. In Viking mythology, giants inhabited Earth even before the gods arrived, and the gods eventually overtook them. Many of these giants were believed to have gotten buried under mountains and indicate their presence through volcanic fires and earthquakes. In our written history, however, giants and tests of strength have existed for thousands of years. In Iceland, in the Scandinavian countries of Northern Europe, and most notably in the northernmost part of Great Britain, the Scotland Highlands. The first written reference to strength competitions in this part of the world dates back over 1,000 years. But even prior to that, various clans used what they called manhood stones for centuries as tests of strength. This tradition eventually lived on as a competition in Scotland called the Highland Games.
Gathering with its smell of heather, taste of Scotch, and men who really are men.
Having existed for hundreds of years, the Highland Games was the world's first strongman competition. Today, the sport of strongman has gotten more and more popular with the rise of internationally recognized strongmen such as Thor and Eddie Hall.